and the Prithviraj Chauhan was such a good archer that without seeing he can what? Kill any target. And then what has been happened? It has been decided, and this word has been conveyed to Muhammad Ghori that he knows very good archery. Like call upon in the competition he can. And then it has been already decided. तो उन्होंने अपने लैंग्वेज में, घूर के वहाँ के लैंग्वेज में नहीं, वहाँ पे बोला 4 बंस 24 गज अष्ट अंगुल प्रमाणम, ऐसे 4 गज 4 बंस 24 गज अष्ट अंगुल प्रमाणम, उत्ते बैठे है सुल्तान, अब ना दे करो पृथ्वीराज चौहान. फिर I said that मतलब 4 बंस, some kind of distance is there, some kind of what? In his language he said that some kind of what is in a distance, मतलब कि आपको कुछ गज है, 24 गज, something 24 feet and something like this total distance बताया. And then उसी समय मोहम्मद गौरी was not knowing what this couplet is. Yes, he said that okay, yes, start. And then he come to know about the sound, yes, direction of the sound, and then directly came here. And then completely, and thereafter आपको ही पता होगा कि मोहम्मद गौरी उनके साथ क्या होगा, और वो लोग यहीं पे स्टोरी खत्म हुई. लेकिन मोहम्मद गौरी has left one portion in the Bihar and Bengal and the whole UP. Its name is Ikhtiaruddin Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar. And when he died, and he has been able to capture Bengal and Bihar, and at the same time, what is the name? He died, and then whole power come under the Qutbuddin. And Qutbuddin, Iltutmish and Balban, 3 famous, they are Slavs, famous slaves. Understood? So thereafter, which dynasty started? And this come under the power of Delhi Sultanate. And Caliphate sitting over there, they can say that yes, this is enough. Sultan should be there, and then first Sultan become Qutbuddin Aibak. Understood? Again, I said that आपने क्या सुना? Yes, tell me. हमने 3 चीजों के बारे में बात किया. मोहम्मद बिन कासिम, मोहम्मद, एंड आंखें खोल कर सुने. ये दोबारा ये कहानी किसी किताब में मिलेगी नहीं. क्लियर? I said that हमने क्या बोला? मोहम्मद बिन कासिम who has attacked in the 8th century AD, and thereafter it has been, जबकि आपको जान चुके हैं तो मेरी रिवीजन क्या होगी? Fast. And then in the 8th century AD, Muhammad bin Qasim, but in the early death has not been able to make him the territorial expansion in India. But the Muhammad Ghazni, who is in the, I said the 10th century, tried to attack in India. His father name was Sabuktagin, his younger brother name was Ismail, and then his Mahmud Ghaznavi. And then along with the Sabuktagin, he invaded into the northwest India. And then he is able to what is in a defeat. And after that, at the last time of his life, there was not a good relationship between Mr. I said that Subuktagin with the Mahmud Ghaznavi. Therefore, he is not able to get the power, and the power goes in the hand of, yes, power goes in the hand of Ismail. And the very early, and the very next year, it has been defeated by what is in Mahmud Ghaznavi. And then Mahmud Ghaznavi thereafter attacked in the Punjab side, and in second expedition 1002, in the Jaipala king has been defeated in the first battle of Wai-Hind. When he has been defeated, thereafter he found humiliation and he suicided himself. ठंड लग रहा है तो फिर क्लोज मत कर दो, कम कर दो. कहाँ पे थे? First battle of Wai-Hind. And thereafter in 1008, 6th expedition is there, and his son Anandpala was defeated. His son, and then but Anandpala tried to make a confederacy with the nearby kingdom, but he is not able to defeat. He was defeated. Thereafter he keep on what is looting, and which is the reason that what is the line that he has looted? Nagarkot, Thaneshwar, Kannauj, Mathura, and in 1025, 16th expedition, Somnath. And then Somnath temple has been what is also destroyed. Understood? And then I said that, and when he was returning, Jat has been attacked from the back. And therefore to take revenge, to defeat the next year, 1026, he did 17th expedition. This is the last, but he lived behind only the Punjab region as one of the territory under him. And thereafter we have been able to see. उसके बाद हमने क्या देखा? Yes, tell me. क्या देखा? मोहम्मद गौरी. And Muhammad Ghori, I have said that is coming from the Ghur region of Afghanistan, and then he is also able to Northwest India is highly disunited, and thereafter I have given a definition of nationalism. What is the definition of nationalism? Yes, a group of people living in a geographical region having the same race, language, culture, fighting for the same cause. Okay, and thereafter we have been able to see, like I said, हमने क्या देखा? That the Muhammad Ghori came in the 1975. First he captured, yes, 1175 he first captured which one? Multan, and 1182 he captured Sindh, and thereafter 1186 Punjab, and then 1191 में क्या हुआ? First battle of Tarain, and 1191 first battle of Tarain में Muhammad Ghori was defeated because of the, along with his confederacy, Prithviraj Chauhan is able to defeat him. But in between the story of Sanyukta, and then I said that Chauhan, and then there is an I said that Chandrabardai, what he has written, which book? Prithviraj Rasho. And then Muhammad Ghori over there gone, and thereafter, and who, you know that story, and thereafter I said, in the Bihar and Bengal, it has been captured by whom? Ikhtiaruddin Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar. Understood? And which are the Muhammad Ghori famous portions in his life? Firdausiya. And what he has written? Firdausiya has written Sahnama. And he is known as Homer of the East. And then Al-Baruni. And Al-Baruni, Tahqiq Hind, and Utbi, Utja. और उठने वाला कौन काम करता है? किताब लिखा हुआ, he was a court historian. Kitab Uddin Yamini. And then we have talked about, I said that, Muhammad Ghori, and then Ikhtiaruddin Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khilji, and one of the Ghoris, and he annexed Bihar and Bengal and destroyed Nalanda and Vikramshila University and died in 1206 AD, and leaving Kutubuddin Aibak in the charge. Understood? It came under it, and thereafter यहाँ से ये story आप लोग हैं. And then पृथ्वीराज का जो स्टोरी सारा बताया यहाँ पर है आपको. And this is the line I said, 4 बंश 24 गज अंगुल अष्ट परमाणा एटेपल है सुल्तान अब मत चुको है चौहान. And then thereafter I said that what has been started? Delhi Sultanate. And then Delhi Sultanate I said, Delhi Sultanate. I have made you also to remember that some numbers here to remember, and then some names, what are the dynasties are there. और हमने क्या बोला था? I have said that, you know that slaves. First dynasty is, I said that, slave dynasty. तो आप when the slaves, यदि आप किसी को servant अपने घर पे रखते हो तो what happened? Then आपको आप सोचते you are giving respect, but he was considering himself granted. Yes or no? You are giving respect to the woman. But he was considering himself that it has been granted and it's मेरी तो इससे भी ज़्यादा औकात है. तो वो थोड़ा देर में क्या होता है आपके यहाँ आप you will make him to sit on the sofa, he will sit on your bed. कुछ दिन में फिर after that lying on the bed. This kind of thing started happening when you are not taking care of it. तो वो धीरे धीरे आपके ऊपर ही. तो slave हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में जो आए थे, this Muhammad Ghori, who is the richest? India was the richest. And when the slave आए थे, they have nothing in their hand, but they gone away with the lots of the things. तो हमने बोला मैंने slave कैसे आए? Empty hand, खाली हाथ है. Slave, how they came? खाली हाथ है. Slave, खाली हाथ. So it is in a खाली means Khilji. Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty. Which are the dynasty? I said that slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty. How do they come? Slave, खाली हाथ है. And then when you will give respect to the slaves and all, तो थोड़े दिन में they started what is having a wrong conversation argument with you, and then it is known as in the North India तुम तड़ाक करने लग जाते हैं. क्या करने लग जाते हैं? that is in a tum tadak. What they started doing? Slab, khali haath hai, and what they did? Just tell me. Tum tadak. What they did? Tum tadak. तो हमने क्या बोला? Slab dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. Slab khali haath hai, and what they did? Tum tadak. Tughlaq. Yes, is it clear? Again I said that slab खाली हाथ है. यूपीएससी आज के डेट में आप यदि देखो कई फैक्ट्स को तो बदल नहीं सकता है. ही कैन प्ले विद एनीथिंग. क्रोनोलॉजी ही कैन आस्क द वे अरेंज देम इन द ऑर्डर एंड देन सम दिस रूलर बिलोंग्स टू विच डायनेस्टी. बच्चे कहाँ करते हैं? सो दैट कैन बी द व्हाट इज द टफेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. अगेन आई सेड द स्लैब कैसे आए थे? खाली हाथ आए एंड देयर आफ्टर व्हाट दे डिड? तुम तड़ाक. स्लैब डायनेस्टी, खिलजी डायनेस्टी, तुगलक. स्लैब डायनेस्टी, खिलजी डायनेस्टी, तुगलक. अंडरस्टूड? स्लैब खाली हाथ है, तुम तड़ाक किए. लेकिन जो स्लैब आए थे तुर्किस, दीज आर द तुर्किस एंड दे हैव एन, आई सेड दैट दे आर वेरी यंग, टॉल, फेयर. तो बड़े स्मार्ट थे. हमारी लड़कियों को फंसा लिया और शादी कर लिया. क्या कर लिया? तो सैयद डायनेस्टी. व्हाट इज आई सेड दैट? शादी कर लिया एंड देन आई सेड द सैयद डायनेस्टी. सो स्लैब डायनेस्टी, खिलजी खाली आंख आए, तुम तड़ाक किया एंड देयर आफ्टर हमारी लड़कियों को फंसा लिया. आई सेड दैट शादी, सैयद डायनेस्टी. और शादी के बाद क्या किया इन्होंने? दे हैव टेकन द लोड ऑफ व्हाट इज ना मनी एंड ऑल एंड देन लोड करके सब चले गए. लोधी डायनेस्टी. शादी के बाद मिलता है ना डाउरी ऑन समथिंग. सो आई सेड दैट लोड लेकर चले गए, लोड करके. सो आई सेड दैट व्हिच आर द डायनेस्टी? आई सेड दैट स्लैब, खिलजी, स्लैब, खिलजी, तुगलक. स्लैब, I said that Slav, Khilji, and then I said that Tughlaq, and then said I Sayyid, and then I said Lodi. Slav, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, and then I said Lodi dynasty. Understood it? And now you have to pick some number with me. याद हो गया? Which are the dynasty in the chronology? Yes, slave, खिलजी, तुगलक, सैयद एंड देन लोधी. एंड सबसे बकवास डायनेस्टी ये है, कुछ भी नहीं किया. एंड ही इज अफगान. दे आर अफगान्स. दे आर व्हाट? लोधीज आर, आई सेड दैट, अफगान्स. अंडरस्टूड? स्लेव कैसे आए थे? टेल मी, हाउ डू दे कैम? खाली, खिलजी डायनेस्टी. अंडरस्टूड? And then I said Tughlaq, Sayyid, and now you have to remember some name. I said that it is, I said 690. What I said that? याद हो गया इतना? Yes, 690. Then after I said that 2013. What I said that 690, 2013. Remember 690, 2013. What are the number I said? 690, 2013. जितना बोलोगे उतनी याद होगा. I said that otherwise history and numbers you can't do anything. Nobody can make you memorize and you cannot be able to what is an answer these things. 690, 20, 13. And if you do not have an idea about the numbers, आप suppose करो क्यों history आपको 2-4 दिनों से अच्छा लगने लगा होगा. The reason behind, and जब से art and culture you started seeing the chronology. Yes or not? Something is happening, something is going in this era, what is happening? You started making lots of things in your mind in conceptually and factually. Therefore you started taking interest in. Otherwise history, books में आपको मिलेगा ही नहीं. It will be always in the zigzag manner. Always in the zigzag manner. So ध्यान से 6, 90, 20, 13. What I said that? 6, 90, 20, 13. Then I said 51, 26. 51, 51. So I said that 51, 26. 51, 26. 6, 90, 6, 90, 20, 13, 51, 26. याद हो गया? What are the number I said? 6, 90, 20, 30, 13. Yes? 6, 90, 20, 13, 51, 26. So I said that the slave dynasty is from the 1206 to 1290. And this is a large impact, that is in a large period. And thereafter I said that 1290 to 1320, it is for a small period. And thereafter I said that 1320 Tughlaq dynasty, I said that for 1413, it is in a what? Empire for large period. This empire is what? Completely large period. And then Sayyid dynasty, 1413 to 1451, and this dynasty again for a small period. And then I said that the Lodi dynasty, I said that 1451 to 1526, and this is for what? Large period. So alternate large, short, large, short, large. Understood? Clear? Slav, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, Lodi. Slav, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, Lodi. Understood? Slav dynasty. Clear? 1206. 1206 to 1290, who is there? Slav. And 1290 to 1320, Khilji. And then 1320 to 1413, Tughlaq. 1320 to 1413, 1320 to 1413, 1320 to 1413, 1320 to 1413. This is the time this Delhi Sultanate disintegrated. I said that 1320 to 1413, and this is the time when the Delhi Sultanate disintegrated, large provinces has started freeing himself. Yes? And the same way art and culture has not been able to grow in the Delhi Sultanate. All the artisans has been started moving toward the nearby provinces because they are not capable of. Again I say 1322 1413. Again I said 1322 1413. Who is there? Tughlaq. And किसकी गलती थी? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. किसकी गलती थी? He is having a large empire, but he is not able to till south the empire was there. Till south this empire was there, but he is not able to capable to run it and maintain it. So उसकी 5 गलतियां थी, that we'll see. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and thereafter I said that Tughlaq dynasty is, tell me, 1322, and मैं suddenly अभी पूछूंगा कौन से dynasty का क्या year है, and thereafter I said that yes, 1413 to 1451, 1413 to 1451 Sayyid, अभी तो पूछ नहीं रहा हूँ, अभी तो रेगुलरली कर रहा हूँ. And thereafter I said that 1451 to 1526 Lodi dynasty. Yes, tell me, Khilji dynasty, 1292 1320, and then Slav dynasty, and Tughlaq dynasty, and then Lodi, 1450.